I got an email I really don't want to open that saying they will raise my rent. Yeah, I knew it's coming. It's about the time. But every time I see that, I feel pressure. So I searched online how much it is, and I saw the price. The price is much cheaper than what I pay right now. I think it's almost $200 cheaper than what I'm paying right now. So I went to the management to say, yeah, I got the email and I saw the price online and it's actually cheaper than what I got. So I was wondering if there's any way you can make adjustment for the difference. She was like, that's actually for new residents. Like, she can do that if I move to another unit. It's not really worth it. If I move to another unit, then I have to hire moving company and all the work. Moving is not an easy thing, even though it's in the same apartment. Yeah, I have to spend money and my energy as well. So I was like, okay. And then she told me that let the corporate know that stay the same, no increase, which is $40 per month. But I was expecting lower $200, the difference between my quote and online price. She offered me she can try to make it stay the same, not increase. It wasn't what I truly wanted, but I was like, oh, that would be great. Thank you very much. I mean, I guess I'm really bad at negotiation. I was like, oh, that would be perfect. Thank you so much. Oh. So I'm still waiting for the answer. Yeah, this is holiday seasons, so I think they are not opening. But if my rent is not increasing, then I'm gonna save $40 per month, $480 for next year. I mean, that's better than nothing at least. But I really wanted to save like $200 per month. I was like, oh, it's gonna be a lot of saving. But yeah, that was what happened. Well, what about your rent? At this point, I have a question to myself. One day, will I able to own my own house? Hopefully one day. Hopefully. So now I'm going to eat breakfast. Oh no, actually lunch. It's almost noon. Now I want to update you. I feel much better right now. Yeah, I wasted the last whole week, maybe longer than that, almost 10 days. But now I'm feeling much better. I'm making videos with happy face. Today I woke up and actually, again, I wanted to go to the gym, and this morning, raining so hard. It's been raining for like 3-4 days right now. So I was like, I'm not gonna go. But I did something. I pushed up like 120 times at home. So it's better than nothing. When rain stops, I'm going back to the gym. Let me show you my fried eggs. I thought I'm good at stainless steel pan, but maybe not yet. Yo. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. No problem. After workout, I finished a couple editing and I scheduled videos until December 31st. Now I have no videos, but I'm gonna work on it. Today, what I'm gonna eat is 간장게장, 양념게장. I went to a Korean market last week and I found this. It's frozen product. I'm not sure if it's good or not. Soy sauce marinated crab. I tried it from, there's deli in Korean market. They sell like side dishes and things. I bought a soy sauce crab and it was so bad, like so fish, and the taste wasn't good. I was like, oh. So since then I didn't buy anything, but maybe this one could be different. Hopefully it's good. Let me try. First, I need some rice. Yeah, someone asked me how to make purple rice. I made it. Have you seen this rice before? This is like a lot of white rice and a little bit of black rice mix. I don't really like it, but I don't mind to eat it. I don't know if it's really good for health or not. In Korea, old people make this all the time. Put the fried egg on top of the rice. Yeah, this looks like that. It smells spicy. Soy version. Please, it's good. Yeah, this smells like what I know. Oh, I remember something. Okay, let me take this out first. The soy version has 5 pieces, which is 2.5 crab. It looks spicy. 7 pieces. It's 3.5 crab. Yesterday was Christmas. I felt so lazy. I didn't have rice. I didn't have anything. I was like, this is Christmas. Let me treat myself. I'm gonna order like delivery food. So I wanted to have galbitang. I was gonna checking out. I saw the price. It's like $40 for a bowl of galbitang, like including all the fish, everything. I was like, oh no, no way. I was really lazy. I didn't want to do anything. But when I saw the price, I was like, okay, let me cook. So I made this rice and I made some gochujang pork soup. I didn't order delivery food. I'm like, that's too expensive. Now I'm going to eat. I actually want to just turn it off, the camera. But I think you might wonder how this will taste like. Let me just try and let you know, and I'm gonna say bye. So let's do soy version first. Oh wow, it's really good, really good. This is the flavor I expected, but it's a little too salty. If it's less saltier, it will be perfect, but it's a little salty. Next, spicy one. It smells spicy. Wow. Oh, it's not that spicy, and the saltiness is perfect. This is really good. Oh wow. Now I have an option. If I wanna eat this, I can buy it from market. This is a good found. Okay. Today's story is done. I will see you next video. Bye bye. Oh, enjoy your holidays and 새해 복 많이 받으세요.